Well, today I'm out at our market stand. I wanted to check things out, make sure everything is holding up for the winter. It's February 8th in Manitoba and I am in shelter because it's raining. I have never seen this before. This is amazing. But in the distance there you can see the good old Massey. It's running. I won't leave it running a long time. I just wanted to run it to let people see that it actually runs. I'm trying to stay out of the rain for my camera and stuff like that, but I'll try and get a few closer shots of it. It's a beauty. There's no two ways about it. I really like it. I'll just try and do a little walk around first. This tractor has significant power and it works fantastic. It's a great tractor. It made a whole lot of difference when I was able to acquire it. This is one of the original marketing stands. You might have seen the tipped over thing on my YouTube channel. We don't use this too